it is midday and it is time for us to go and browse. So this is the sheep. They all go plus the babies. Then next is the goat. Kati bo baby bonna bugenda. Bono tebwebakirayo ku ttale nga buto nnyo tebwebakirayo ku ttale okwebaka. So guys, I've been cleaning here around the animal pens or animal houses. So guys, it is very important for you to clean around the houses of the cow or of the animals. This is our chicken coop, and this is Nantume's pen or the cow, and that is where the sheep sleep, and this is our goat's pen. So guys, around here, most of the people concentrate on cleaning inside and forget to clean around where the animals sleep. So that is exactly what I'm doing. So here where Nantume sleeps, this is Nantume's pen, guys. You can see I've just gotten Mr. Come. You come, I see. You can see, guys, I'm from cleaning and getting the leftovers. He has been eating potato leaves and jackfruit plus matoke what? Matoke leaves over. Water peels, yes. So we just only pick the leftovers and we leave the cow dung, guys. The cow dung like this. We're advised that this cow dung is so good for the animal, for the cow, because it gives warmth for the cow. These things of cementing where the cow sleeps, yes, it is good, but it brings coldness to the cow. So that's why we have to leave this cow dung. When you see it, you think this is being dirty, but there's a reason why we leave this cow dung, because at the end of the day, it acts as its bedding. So I'm through with sweeping. You can see here is all clean. So I'm getting the rubbish. You see, even the rubbish is little, meaning that we always sweep around our animal houses. It is very important. So I'm going to pick this and take them to the garden. Nothing goes to waste, guys, here in the farm. Even these ones are good for the plants. They act as manure. So this is how we slay. We slay like this. Tujitwalamu roots ingameka. Tujisomba kati. Tetujisomba kati. Embuzi ebiri. Tebagibbe. Teri babbi. Kati bwewuunya ani oyo akaabirawo mu nsiko. Lwaki embuzi ekaabirawo mu nsiko ezadde? Ogenda giraga Rafayira ajja gisomba mpola. Okay? Ngenda kutwalako. Nsikale.
Sika buno busigaddeyo ebyo.
You think farming is just there to pass your time? You have to work. You have to work your ass off. These things are not easy. Eh? So we are taking these mutuba trees for our goats. And because they don't have grass, but after they are fed, they will eat them. We've gotten more branches. We are renovating our fence. The fence, the sengenge barbed wires. So we are from cutting branches of the trees. Can't make a dukana and never change of feeds. Meet our cow Nantume. Nantume Vinotavidia. Look at those young kids. Wanji? On Insigo's bed. That handbag. Ogenda kateekayo nga akagundi ako okagize. Okakoze oti. N'omwo bonna tubupangemu wigge tuge. Oba mmese ez'akalumye. Ebitabo, how many books? We are loading these bikes. We are taking them for maintenance. Balina teekamu buteesi mukka wano. Obuntu obwo tobuleka. Ate eri eya nsigo. Is it fine? Nebanga breaks ezaavudde. Obwo obupiira tobuleka. Ensigo neyo eyiyo giggyeewo. Eggayi temuzisuula. Balinayo omuto abawala n'ekirenge kino n'amajembe. Temwagala kusigala mabega oba bagenda bakuba mpusoomu n'amanyirire. N'amajembe sigala agenda okuba. Ezo ndiga mbuzi zaani banna. Abo bennyini be babbi bano. Osi mchana wa Mungu. Neku nesefu kawa ndio. Mbona
atalunze
Yenze mu Easter.
ye mwenyini ate yasubirayo mukaya yatava
Oyo Kaaya nti
mwenyini yamwese